Students, you have learned decimal. Decimal. I have posted you only one video of mine at the beginning. Then you have gone through my previous year videos. I thought I will make your idea more clear by making a new video of this year. That is why this video is. Please listen carefully. I will throw some light on decimals. Operation especially. Once you are doing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions on decimal, and sometimes word problem or number line, all these things how will you do for decimal. Decimal doing things has got a little trick, and if you know this, things will be very easy. Okay, let us go on. I am sure if you listen this thoroughly, then you will have the concrete knowledge on decimals. Basic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, let us start. I have taken one example of addition. I have taken 3 addends here just to teach you about the addition of decimal. 57.2, 0.53, and here is 350.357. What I am going to do is, I am going to just solve it as, I will write down the first addend. As the way it is written, I will write down the first addend. Okay, then to place the second addend and the successive addends, I will place first the point point exactly below the point of the previous addend. Then in respect to the point, I will place the digit. Here is 10 digit is 5, I will place it 5, and I will place it 3, and then whole number side, whole number part 0. See, what are the back-end places there? That I will fill with 0. That will be better. If you fill with 0, it will be better. You will not have any chances of mistake. Now I will place third addend, which is first I will put point. For doing addition and subtraction of decimal, children, I will tell you first you write down the first addend on first decimal. In case of subtraction, it will be minuend. Place that, then you put point first, and in respect to point you place all the digit. Here 10 digit is 3, 5 and 7. See, the 1000 digit also one there, and this side of the 1000 place is also there. So rest of place I will fill it with 0. It is always better. And see the alignment, these all are in a straight line. You have to arrange this way. Now you do the addition. Usual addition only. There will not be any mistake if you do this way. So if you do it, it will be 7, it will be 8, and here it will be 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry over. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 5, 13 point will be here only. 1 carry over, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Now no carry over 3. Addition will be this. I hope you have understood it. Things are very easy once you arrange it. Now I have taken second example as I have taken a word problem. I will just solve the word problem one. See, word problem said to you is that a milkman has 52 liters of milk with him initially. Then he distributed 37.25 liters of milk, and now how much is left with him? Definitely it's a subtraction. You know that operation is subtraction. Word problem. Going through the language, you have to understand whether it is a subtraction or addition or multiplication or division or combination of two operations or not. That we have to decide. Now it's a clear-cut subtraction. I intentionally put subtraction. So now 52 liter from 52 liter, we have to subtract 37.25 liter, isn't it? See, before I proceed, I will tell you every number, every whole number. Suppose 15. 15 also can be written as decimal, as like 15 point is to the extreme right. Every whole number has got the point to the extreme right. Therefore, here 52 will be written as 52 point right side, as there is no place, there is no digit is there, the point is meaningless. That is why we don't write down. Okay, 52. Now next is what? 37.25. So here my name is 52 and 37.25. Point you put first. Then 25. 10 and 100 place is 25. And then ones and tens place also you place the digit what is given to you. And fill with 0. Unless you fill with 0, it will be mistake. If you don't fill with 0, the student are writing down 25 after subtraction. No, it will not be. It will be, if you placing 0 means your answer will come correct. So now you can do it. It will be 7, 5, and 8, and 4. Then it will become 14 point. Therefore, the milkman left with milkman. You have to write down milkman left with how much liter of milk? With 14.75 liter of milk. Isn't it? You have done the subtraction. Do you understand how to do the subtraction? This way only you have to do the subtraction here. Otherwise it will be mistake. Could understand? So you have to place the point first in respect to any whole number right side negative. 5 means 5 point. Now suppose you have to make 3 decimal places. 5 is equal to 5.3 decimal place. 5 can be written as 5.00 also. 5 can be written 5.0 also. Could you understand? Now you have got the conception. Now represent on number line. Some decimals on the number line let us do. See, for that no, you have to draw a number line. You draw a number line. On the same number line you have to draw both. That is 1.2 taken I have and minus 2.5. So draw number line with the help of scale. Little larger one you draw it. So that of course you must draw with the help of scale on the number line and your pencil. Don't use your pen to draw the number line and don't use your just bare hand to draw a number line. You have to use pencil and scale also. Okay. Now what has happened? This is number line. Here both positive and negative both are there. So 0 is placing negative side 2. See, obviously 1.2 means it will be lying between 1 and 2. This particular point will be falling on the number line between 1 and 2. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. In between somewhere it will be. Like this, 0.25 minus 0.25 will be minus 2 and minus 3. In between this side minus 1 will be there. Then again it will be 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Definitely minus 2.5, minus 2.5 will lie between minus 2 and minus 3. That is it. No. Now what you are going to do? See, you just draw the scale on the number line. 0 you place it somewhere here. Okay. This side you take 2 equal division. Some gap it will be because in between no you have to draw 10 small division. Okay, draw 10 small division. 1 equal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this part will be 1. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This part will be 2. Definitely 1.2 will be 2 means 0.2 means 2 by 10. So second division between 1 and 2. So 1, 2. This will be 2.2. This particular part, if it is represented by P, then P will become 1.2. Hope you have understood. Similarly, this side also, negative side 2 minus 2.5. See, you don't have to draw the scale of all the division, all the section. You have to draw definitely the scale where it is lying. It will become 2 to 3. This particular 2.5 will become in between 2 to 3. No. So if you need, then you have to extend the number line and draw it. Here I have extended the number line. Here is 1, minus 1. Here it will be minus 2. And here suppose it is minus 3. Then minus 2.5 will be lying, minus 2.5, we are drawing 1.2 and minus 2.5, no number line. So minus 2.5 will definitely lie between minus 2 and minus 3. So here 10 division you draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You understand the 10 division you have drawn? This will become 0.5 means 5 by 10. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth division. This will become the part. If this part is Q, then Q will represent minus 2.5. You understand? So P represents there 1.2 and Q represents here minus 2.5. Did you understand it? You just draw it this way. Number line part is over. Now, how will you find out the product of decimal? That is very, very important. Multiplication, how will you do? Multiplication and division of decimals are very, very important. Pay attention. See, I have taken 75.32 multiplied by 65. What will I multiply? 75.32 multiplied by 6.5. What you need to do, children, before doing multiplication, you do multiplication with the number only without the decimal. Without the decimal, you do the multiplication first. Find out the product. 5 is a 10, 3 5 is a 15 plus 1, 16, 3 5 5 is a 25 plus 1, 26, 2 carry over 5, 7 is a 35 plus 2, 39. Okay, now 6 2 is a 0, 6 2 is a 12, 1 carry over, 6 3 is a 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry over, 6 5 is a 30 plus 1, 31, then 6 7 is a 42 plus 1. 42 plus 3 will be 42 plus 3 is 45. So we find out the product 8, then it will become 15, then 1 carry over 11, 1 carry over 9, now no carry over 4. So product came, product we write down first 4 9 1 5 8 0. This much came. Now you count the decimal digit. Decimal digit always should be counted from right to left. For this number, decimal digit is 1 decimal, 1 decimal, 1, 2, 3. Total 3 decimal places. From right to left, 1, 2, 3. This. So answer will be 491.58. The product answer will be. So whenever you are doing decimal multiplication, first without the point you find out the product, then you count how many decimal digits are there for multiplicand and multiplier both, then that up with the product or the new product, whatever is come from the right to left, that means decimal places, you put the decimal digit, decimal point. You understand? Now doing the division is another challenge for you. Children, you must have to understand this division. I will take question example number 5. Example number 5 is 16.578 divided by 5.4. That's very, very important. Keep listening. See, decimal usually you will write down with the help of writing that one as denominator form. Divisor you write down like this for decimal. It will be easier. There are many procedures. I will teach you only one procedure. Remember. See, this one if you convert into fraction, no. If you remove the point and if it is numerator, then denominator you multiply 1, 2, 3. 3 power of 3, 10 power of 3. Numerator was having 3 decimal places, denominator is multiplied with 10 power of 3. Okay, denominator is having 1 decimal places, remove point, and numerator will be multiplied with 1 power of 10 because 1 decimal digit. This you understood. Now we do with what? You first find out the division of these two. 16,578 divided by 54. You do it in the working column, you do it in the main column. Okay. Now see, this 0 will be cancelling, then 100 will be the denominator. Let it be. When the denominator is 10, 100 or power of 10, no, don't do any operation. Don't make it a simplest form. Now it will go 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 it will go. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15, 1 16, 1 is 62, 3 will come down, then 7 comes down. 7 is not going, therefore 0 will go there. In the question, don't do the mistake. 7 came down, not going means 0 will go. Now 8 will come down. Now what will go? 3 4, 3 7, 5 5 7s are 35. 5 will go. Okay. 7 will go. 7 5s are 35. So 7 will go. 7 5 7 4s are 28, 2 carry over, 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37. Correct. So it came 0 0. So what is your question now? 3. If you are dividing this 54 and this, you are getting 307. 307 by 100. 307 by 100. Now children, see 2 zeros are there, therefore decimal will be from here the decimal digit was, I said you have to hold number right hand side decimal will be there, divided by 2 0 means power of 2 means 2 decimal places you will shift from right to left. So here it was 1, 2 decimal places you will shift, the answer will be this. I hope you have understood this. Division you do in this procedure. I hope you have understood. I will teach you multiplication by power of 10 and division by power of 10 of any decimals. That is also very simple aspect, but once you know your finding out the product and the question will be easier. So question number 6 will be what? See 37.5 multiplied by 100. What will you do? That time you don't do the multiplication. See, when you are multiplying with 100 and all, we add 0, no? So, what is 375 multiplied by 100? We don't do multiplication, but we write down the, leaving the power of 10, you write down that number and add to 0 beside, right hand side. That is what we do, no? In this case also, decimal will be shifting towards, for multiplication, decimal will be shifting from left to right. Multiplication with power of 10, decimal will shift, decimal point will shift left to right, as many power of 10 here, that many places. So 2 places, 2 zeros are there, 2 places. So it will become, 37 here, this 1 places it goes there, but another place is also required, so you have to fill with 0 then, and here the point will come. That means answer will become 7,000. Right hand side decimal has got no value, therefore answer will be 3750. I hope you have understood. Yeah, suppose here it was another 0. So definitely it will be another 0 because this 3 power of 10, 3 places of decimal will shift from left to right, 1 place here, then 2 places here, add to 0 and put it. Got it? Now division I will do. Another thing is division. Suppose it is divided by, okay, 1000 we take it, divided by 1000. See children, what did I say to you? You can very well do it as, shifting the decimal point. 3 places, 1, 2 places it comes here. 3 places means 0 will be added and here it will go. Why? 2 places, 2 power means this. For division, no, decimal will come from right to left. For multiplication, decimal will go to left to right. For multiplication, this is for multiplication. Multiply. And this is for division. You understand? Division this way, multiplication that way. So, as many 3 power of 0, decimal was there here. 1 power, 2 power and 3 power. No digit means 0 you have to put. So, 0 you have to put and you have to put the point. This is the correct answer. We are putting 0 as whole number because if there is no whole number is there for decimal part, then it is a style of decimal you have to put 0. So correct nomenclature will be 0.0375. I hope you have understood. Practice without any doubt.